Withdrawing money from Tonkeeper to bank account is pretty easy thing to do. Today we will talk about how you guys can withdraw money from Tonkeeper to bank account. So for that, as you can see, I have this Tonkeeper right here. If I open up my Tonkeeper wallet, this is how my Tonkeeper wallet looks like. Here, as you can see, I currently do not have any cryptocurrency, but in your case, you will have some and you want to withdraw to your bank account. Well, you simply won't directly be able to, withdraw money directly from your Keeper to your bank account because it does not allow you to withdraw in fiat currency. Now, fiat is actually your local currency. So what to do? In this case, you simply have to transfer your cryptocurrency into any exchange which allows you to withdraw money into your fiat currency. In this case, you just have to transfer it to Binance. So for that, you simply have to go to Google, search for Binance. Now, we will go to Binance website and then log into our account. After logging into your account, what you have to do is you simply have to go to this deposit section and then simply click on this deposit crypto. Now, in the deposit crypto section, you can actually deposit the cryptocurrency after verifying your ID. Currently, in my case, my ID is not verified, so it does not allow me that. But in your case, you just have to select the cryptocurrency and you will be able to get your wallet address. Once you have that wallet address, just go to the Tonkeeper and this is how it will look. Just go to send, select the cryptocurrency you want to send, and then enter your recipient's address, which should be your Binance wallet address. Just put it right there, continue it, verify it, and there you go. Your Binance will get the cryptocurrency from Tonkeeper. After getting that, you simply have to click on your profile, go to assets. Now in the assets, you will have some of the cryptocurrency. You just simply have to, click on this withdraw button, select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, verify your ID, and there you go. You will be able to directly withdraw it to your bank account from Binance. That's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.